Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ria Study Circle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 11 algebraic expressions, that exercise 11.5 first bit second problem. This problem also we have to do same like previous problem, which is I explained in my previous video. So let's start the solution for this problem. So first bit is verify the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square geometrically by taking a equal to 3 units and b equal to 1 unit. So let's take a square like this. Let's take this as 1, 2, 3, 4. And here from here to here a equal to 3 units and from here to here b equal to 1 unit. Same from here to here b equal to 1 unit and from here to here a equal to 3 units. So we get here b equal to 1 and here a equal to 3. This is also a equal to 3 and this one is b equal to 1. So the total side of this square is from here to here a plus b equal to 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So we have all measurements here. So now we have to verify this identity. So first we all know the formula for area of the square, that is side into side. Now for LHS we have to find area of the total square ABCD. So let's take this square as ABCD. So side is we have a plus b. So area of the square equal to side into side, that means a plus b into a plus b. So a plus b into a plus b is 4. So 4 into 4 is 16 centimeter square. We can also write directly a plus b into a plus b is a plus b whole square. So now for RHS we have to add areas of all the shapes in a square. So total area of the square equal to, we have to add shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, shape 4. So area of the shape 1 plus area of the shape 2 plus area of the shape 3 plus area of the shape 4. When we add area of these 4 shapes, we get total area of the square. So first for shape 1 it is in the form of square, so area of the square. For shape 2 it is in the form of rectangle, so area of the rectangle. Plus third shape also square, so area of the square. Plus fourth shape is rectangle, so area of the rectangle. Now we have to write the formulas for area of square and rectangle. So area of square is side into side, that means b into b, plus area of rectangle is L into b, here L is b into b is a, plus area of square is a into a, plus area of rectangle is L into b, so here L is a and b is b. So b into b is b square plus b into a is ab plus a into a is a square plus a into b is ab. Now we can substitute the values for a and b. That is here b equal to 1 whole square plus a into b, that means 3 into 1 plus a square means 3 whole square plus a into b is 3 into 1. So now 1 ones are 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 plus 3 ones are 3. 1 plus 3 is 7 plus 9. So 7 plus 9 is 16 centimeters square. Here we can write as a square plus ab is 2ab plus b square. So we get LHS equal to RHS, that is 16 centimeters square equal to 16 centimeters square. So from this we can write a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is how we can verify this identity. If you like, try this problem as I explained in this video. Here I am giving figure with values also. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next video. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి, నేను తెలుగులో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. If you are confused to get my videos, then go to playlist in my channel. I will upload all my videos playlist wise, so you can easily find there. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.